In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver a Wix website to your client in just a few simple steps. If you've been working hard to create a stunning site and now it's time to hand it over to your client, this process will guide you through the necessary steps. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix dashboard. You can do this by opening your browser and heading over to the Wix website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all the sites you've been working on. At this point, make sure you have the correct website in mind that you want to transfer to your client. Once you are on the dashboard, take a look at the top section where you'll see various options. Locate the specific site you wish to deliver to your client. Next to the site's name, you'll see a set of 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers a variety of different actions you can take regarding your site. Within this drop-down menu, find and select the option that says Transfer Site. Clicking this option will take you to another page where you can set up the transfer details. This is where the actual transfer process begins, so make sure to have all the necessary information from your client at hand. In the transfer setup page, you'll be prompted to input the email address of the person you're transferring the site to. It's crucial to double check the email address for accuracy. You don't want to risk sending the site to the wrong person. Once you've entered the correct email, you can proceed by clicking on the Continue button. By clicking Continue, you're initiating the final steps of the transfer process. At this point, the recipient will receive an email notification informing them that the site transfer has been initiated. They'll need to accept the transfer on their end. This acceptance is crucial as it confirms their consent to host the site under their own Wix account. And there you have it. You've now successfully transferred a Wix website to your client. Remember, if at any point you're unsure about the process or need a visual aid, Wix provides helpful resources and support to guide you through. Thank you for following along. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy website building and transferring.